Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Shweta and today we are starting something really exciting. We are going to talk about generative AI, probably the most talked about technology right now. Every few years, something comes along that completely changes how we work and live. We had machines, then computers, the internet, smartphone, and AI. And now, generative AI is the next big wave, and honestly, it feels even bigger. Almost everything around us is going to be affected by it: jobs, business, content creation, coding, education, you name it. And instead of being confused or scared by it, I think the best thing is we can do is understand it, learn, and how to use it. That's exactly why I'm making this series. This is not going to be a boring, theory heavy course. No complicated jargon, no overloading with you with concepts. We'll keep it simple, practical, and beginner friendly. We'll start with the basics: what AI actually is, how machine learning and deep learning fit in, and then slowly move into generative AI. I'll show you tools like ChatGPT, explain how they really work, and more important, how you can use them in real life. We'll talk about things you keep hearing everywhere like prompts, language model, fine tuning, embedding, but in a way that actually makes sense. I'll also share real examples and use cases so that you can know how generative AI is being used today and how you can apply it in your work, studies, or projects. And yes, we'll even build cool stuff like a smart chatbot using your own data, and you'll be surprised how little code it actually takes. We'll also talk about the future of AI, what's coming next, and answer the big question that everyone is talking about. Is AI going to replace jobs or create new opportunities? This series is not just limited to one tool like ChatGPT. The ideas you will learn here will apply no matter which AI model or platform comes next, because tools will change but concepts stays. Everything I share is based on my own learning and experience. I'll be learning along with you as the space keeps evolving. Before we continue, if you're interested in AI, tech, cloud, or any future ready skills, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps channel grow and lets me know you want more content like this. Alright, that's enough of talking now. In the next video, we'll jump straight to the basic and start breaking things down step by step. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.